Good morning, everyone. So this is the support video for lesson 4 with the text, the border. So I wanted to quickly go over because the type of question that question 1 and question 2 are. So if you look at question 1 and question 2, they ask what cultural identifier could apply to the author here. So in order to answer these questions, you have to use a resource that I put in the resource folder in the Google Classroom. It's from lesson 1 of this unit. It's the list of cultural identifiers. So this is things like ability, age, ethnicity. A lot of our vocabulary words show up in this. It's the way that the world views us in terms of identity is our cultural identifiers. It is not the internal identifier. So it's not our own personal beliefs and preferences. It's the things that other people can see from the outside. So question 1 states, the text says, I started getting used to New York City life and taking trains and buses and using elevators, eating pizza, celebrating 4th of July. What cultural identifier could apply to the author here? So we have to look at this list and go, okay, so how do we break down this quote into cultural identifiers? And I'm going to make it so it's easy to see both lists, even with my photo or my video. So we've got New York City life, right? Trains and buses, elevators, eating pizza, and celebrating 4th of July. So when I'm thinking about these things, the list of cultural identifiers that sticks out are socioeconomic status, right? So if you're using cities and buses, that's going to be a different socioeconomic status than being able to take a cab or a taxi everywhere or having your own vehicle. Also thinking about geographical regional background, New York City life, and 4th of July, as well as like maybe it could go into ability with using elevators. I don't know. When you're answering this question, you need to explain using at least 2 pieces of evidence. So you need to choose a cultural identifier, and then you need to find 2 additional pieces of evidence from the text that are not this quote to support your claim about which cultural identifier is represented in this quote. So you're going to use the whole text to help you decide what cultural identifier is this quote talking about. And you're going to do the same type of thing with question 2. So I just wanted to walk through and make sure that you understood that this resource is there for you and how to process what types of answers we're looking for on this question. Happy working!